Today we're going to connect the Smart Home LivarnoLux Smart LED Light Strip from LIDL. Yes, hello, welcome. Welcome back guys to another tech video with Human and Suten, and today we're going to connect this to a Philips Hue Bridge. So let's get back to it. So this is what you get inside the box. You get the LED light strip here, and you get a cable management cardboard band. Wow, this is, thank you LIDL, it was amazing. And here you get the two boxes, and in the first box we find the AC adapter. And you get the warning symbols here on the cord. So this is something you have to cut by yourself with a scissor, because otherwise this will destroy your setup. And the connector to the LED light strip from the strip. And here you plug in the AC adapter. And here you also have to cut this with scissors. And you also get this extension cord if you want to connect two LED light strips together. And in the bottom of the box you find the manuals. Thank you LIDL. So now I connected the AC adapter to the power plug, and then now we're connecting the LED strip inside of here. So as you can see, this light is pulsing, and this means that it is in pairing mode. And if your LED strip is not in pairing mode, just flick on the power plug 6 times approximately fast, and then it will be back to the pulsing pairing mode again. So now we're in the Philips Hue app, and we're just gonna press here light setup, add light, and then search. And now it's searching for this light here. Extend the color light 1, and it found it. And now we're gonna rename it to just LIDL. We're gonna do it complete that later. So LIDL light here. And now we're gonna assign it to a bedroom, Stora sovrum. It's the big room. And then we're gonna add the LIDL light here. Perfect. And now we got the LED strip here, LIDL, off, on, off, on. And inside here we can choose warm and some cold colors here. And we can also go to the color wheel, and we can change whichever color that we desire. Wow, what an amazing system this is. Thank you so much, LIDL with LivarnoLux. Thank you. Wow, what an amazing experience to connect that LED light strip directly to the Philips Hue Bridge, so we do not have to buy that little bridge. We can get everything in one system. Wow. So that was this for this week's episode of Human and Suten. So do not forget to comment down on this video if you have any suggestion or any question. Like this video so we can get some support. Share this video with anyone out there in the world that needs a LED light strip to an affordable price. Do not forget that notification bell so you can get notified of our recent uploads, and the most important things of them all, the subscribe button. And click that subscribe button, and do not forget who this is. This is Human and Suten.